fashion and lifestyle kind of content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to be doing a review on the Sol de Janeiro hair repair treatment. It's the triple Brazilian butter, and it's a deep hair conditioner that I used today, and I love it. It smells amazing. There's actually a cap cover, but it just smells like a tropical paradise. If you're interested in the review, keep on watching. I finally got the energy to go to freaking Sephora, and I bought this. Originally, I wasn't gonna buy this. I was gonna buy a stick foundation, which I did, but I figured I would try this. This is kind of expensive. I knew that I needed deep moisture because I just dyed my hair like a month ago, and now that I use this conditioner, I was thinking that let me like deep condition my hair and then maybe I could go lighter, because I was treating my hair like I didn't freaking just bleach it. But back to this conditioner. So this retails at $36 at Sephora. It is a new conditioner. I think it just came out a month ago. So we are in the month of March, in case you guys watch this a year from today. And so this came out in February. This is a Brazilian deep hair conditioner. It's a super nourishing triple butter treatment. Your girl needs butter. The more butter, the better, especially for like these dry ends. I am the queen of freaking bleaching my hair. I just always want to go lighter. But for a year, I didn't dye my hair, didn't bleach it, and then I took the plunge and I effing got like an ombre thing going on. So that's why my hair is damaged and I need more conditioner. I need more moisture. So this transforms your hair dramatically, and it repairs and replenishes dry, damaged hair. This girl over here that has my freaking name all over it. And this is sulfate free, formulated without parabens, and it's color safe. Awesome. You would have never thought that my hair was damaged at one point. That's how freaking effective it is. And I saw that the commercial said that 96% of people who use this conditioner, and by the way, there's only like 3 left of these freaking conditioners when I went to Sephora. 96% of people who use this conditioner experience less split ends, and that's accurate. Look at that. I will show you guys the demo, and let's get started. Here's the Sol de Janeiro hair treatment. I love the yellow-orange packaging. I love that it comes with a cover. It keeps the conditioner fresh. I love the yellow-orange tint, and I love that it's thick. It reminds me of a pineapple, like, dessert. And so you can see that it's a thick consistency, and that it provides a lot of moisture. I'm putting it in the back of my hand. So this is the before scenario. As you can see, my hair is super dry. I need moisture. You could tell that my hair is damaged. I'm starting off with wet hair, and I'm going to section it. I'm starting with the top left, and I just use a wide tooth comb to separate my hair. It doesn't really have to be perfect. And I'm just using clips. I'm just doing the tie around technique, just trying to take my hair out of my face. And I want to make sure that I section my hair so I get an even distribution of conditioner. I have to think about it for a second. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I can't believe I was gonna go to dry bar to get this done. Happy I didn't. I'm happy that I did it myself. So I'm just kind of combing my hair, doing the same technique. Your hair doesn't have to be that damp. It just has to be kind of damp. You can use a spray bottle. I just kind of took my hand and put it underneath the sink. So here's the conditioner. This is the most satisfying part. And I just kind of, this is my first impression too. Just rub the product all over. This was so fun and so satisfying when I was doing the treatment. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Do you guys ever make like a face when you're like really in deep thought when you're doing hair conditioner? When you're putting hair conditioner in your hair? Wow. I'm just thinking about how damaged my hair is. You can see how much of a difference it makes. I started getting OCD with my clips. Like I had to get like matching everything just to keep the consistency. Now this is the intense part. So the top part of my hair, the top layer, is the most damaged, and I'm just evenly distributing the conditioner, and I'm really focusing on the ends. And you could really tell that my hair is absorbing all of the freaking body butter. Sorry that I say freaking too much. But it really does. It's really effective, I should say. And then I'm just doing the same wraparound technique. See, my hair is already, no, the conditioner is making my hands slippery, so that's how you know there's a lot of moisture. So now I'm doing the other side, and I gotta comb it out. I gotta make sure that my hair isn't tangled. I'm gonna do this hair conditioning treatment probably 1 to 2 times a week, or 3 times a week, because my hair does get dry. My hair has a very dry porosity. I don't know, I'm not an expert, but my hair is wavy, so probably that's why it absorbs moisture. And then I'm just wrapping it around. Boom. Evenly distributing the product. I think my arm is getting tired at this point. Self-care is key, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it in my hair for 10 minutes. After I style my hair, and this is the results. As it's the beginning part of the video, but you could tell that my hair is very moisturized. I would compare it to when I get my hair done at freaking Dry Bar. I can't believe I was literally going to spend $48 on getting a blow dry when I could have just did it at home, did my own hair conditioner at home. This is $36, so I saved way more money.